Before making the stock, I roasted the bones and vegetables in the oven to bring out more flavor. I used onions, carrots, celery stalks, garlic, black pepper, paprika, I'll pressure cook these for 30 minutes. Next, I'll dice 3 onions. Grate 3 carrots and half a celery root. Cut 5 medium-sized potatoes into cubes. Dice 2 red peppers. Finely chop the herbs: parsley, dill, celery leaves. In a pan, sweat half of the diced onions. Add 1/4 cup of rice and stir. Cook for 5 minutes, then leave it to cool. Carefully strain the stock, discarding the bones and vegetables. For the meatballs, I'll use 1 pound of ground pork and 1 pound of ground beef. Add 1 egg, half of the grated carrots. Add 1/4 of the herbs we chopped earlier. Add the cooled onion and rice mixture. Salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, dry parsley, black pepper. Mix well until fully incorporated. Dip your hands in water, then roll the meat mixture into meatballs. In a large pot, sauté the remaining onions and grated vegetables. Pour in the stock and water. Once it comes to a boil, add the potatoes and peppers. Optional, add lemon juice for a tangy flavor. And 1 pound of crushed tomatoes. Bring to a boil, then gently add the meatballs. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the meatballs rise to the surface. Add salt to taste. Black pepper, and the rest of the herbs. Serve hot, and don't be shy with the meatballs. For extra richness, serve with a generous dollop of full-fat sour cream.